Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful October. Today's video is kind of a short one. It's just a video that I made of a local car show. One of the things I kind of do on the weekends, and not a big turnout, but I figured I would just shoot some video for it, of it anyway, for you guys. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. I got some more shows coming up that are going to be a lot bigger, and I'm going to try to actually feature a couple cars in. So, just kind of be on the lookout for that. And once again, thanks for watching. All right, hey everybody, we are live at the American Legion Post for a benefit car show for Riders for Riders. We got some really nice vehicles that showed up here today. Got a good friend, Jeff, brought out the Big Boy Hot Rod Taxi. Very cool rat rod. I'm gonna try to pan slow not to make anybody sick. We got some of our friends from Ultimate Audio Fabrication. Brought a lot of their trucks out today. And like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it as not shake you guys to death. And of course we got my favorite, just because it's my car. That's the old Thunder Chicken, which I will be doing another video on, and some cars in our club. We have this very beautifully painted 1988 Corvette and this custom matte blue wrapped 350Z. These are all our cars. We have this Jeep we just finished. This is actually my brother's Jeep. A lot of custom work, actually a whole lot of custom work done to this thing. But it turned out very, very well. It's got rock slider lifts on it to get up in the cab when you open the door. They're really cool. Got a lot of stuff done on the inside, which I may do a video on it in the future. And then his everyday driver is his Dodge Ram. And then the last of our cars is this Dodge Challenger. Has a wrap in rose gold and has a Disney theme, even including some hidden Mickeys on the center caps there with the shadow of the castle. A lot of people love this car. Got some custom vinyl work on the back there. And at the end of the day, this car still has a Hemi in it, so of course you got to have the Eat My Pixie Dust. Kind of stock on the inside. Has some seat wraps. It's a very nice car. We had a couple late model Corvettes show up. Which of course, you go to a car show, you're going to get some Corvettes. And this is another friend of our club. Comes out to a lot of events. Has a very, very beautiful Z06. Pretty stock. It's got just a couple little tasteful modifications done to it. It's a very beautiful car. Got a nice older Corvette here. Don't want to guess on the age because I'm not an expert, so I don't want to give you guys any wrong information, but let's see what we got here. 79 with Batman. So there you go. And we got another Corvette pulling up. And we got another friend of ours brought his truck out. It's a very beautiful vehicle.
Oh my gosh, y'all, come and take your frustrations out in that car. That's better Stairmaster.
Just a beautifully done motor. A lot of chrome.
Alright, if I could have all the cars, bikes, trucks, rat rods, jeeps.
It's just a beautifully done truck.
Etc. We're going to do the awards.
Always enjoy seeing this gentleman.
Oxygen stack.
Got some whole lot of audio equipment. Very cool.
After our award ceremony, we're going to get these beautiful, sexy beasts up here.
And it looks like they're actually starting to give out some trophies. So we're going to walk up here. But first, I'm going to give you guys a view of this.
All the judges.
Is a crazy Honda Civic.
Your finalization stuff, all cars, bikes, trucks. Please come up front.
95 Honda Civic with definitely not a stock VTEC motor. Got some small tires on the back.
Upset mind about the car.
Can everybody hear me? Please come up front. We're doing the awards now. Okay, be right there.
Got a very cool rat rod truck. Even has the rats.
I don't have any finalization papers. I can sit here and talk to you all day.
Even got my favorite guy from Ratatouille chilling on the intake.
If I could have
Love seeing this truck.
Rachel. Well, Lisa Lee, when she gets here, she'll get here.
Well, we're about to do the awards, so we got a couple more cars and trucks.
Stage. Rania.
Got some Azalea Trail Maids.
Rania. Kathy. Rania, Kathy, and Lisa.
And we got some custom motorcycles over here. Because after all, this is a car and bike show.
Where's Kathy at? Kathy Brocious, I need you up. Get out of there! Kathy Brocious, Lisa Lee, and Rania.
Give you a tour real quick. Quick little look over here on this side before I sign off. Because we did have some cars show up over here on this side, including a beautiful Camaro. Looks like a Hugger orange with some white racing stripes. Seen this guy come in earlier, and it is a 69. It's a very, very beautiful car. Nicely done. And of course, then right next to it, having a very equally beautiful 59 Corvette. Very beautiful car. Very clean. Very clean. Very, very beautiful car. So as I said in the intro, this is video something different, but this is how I spend some of my weekends. I love going to car shows, supporting local charities. This happens to be a show for Riders organization. It's a very good cause. We're happy to come out, give them some support, help them raise some money. A very good cause. Give you one quick last little look here at this awesome Ford.
While we're waiting for our other 2 people that I need to have up on stage. Thank you guys so much. Round of applause.
But I'm pretty sure as my mic picked up, they are about to do the awards. So I appreciate you guys for checking out this video. And I may do some more when I go to other shows, you know, that are a lot bigger than this one. But I really appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe as you see fit. Catch you on the next time.
Well, the other two are judging.